Welcome to Baby's Book Club. My name is Jia Yi. Yo-Yo and I really enjoyed exploring our rainbow feelings the last time. So today, I prepared a special surprise for you. Sometimes, when we are full of rainbow feelings, it's nice to have something to touch, to squeeze, and to calm us down. So today, we're going to make some taste-safe cloud dough, or moonsen. So don't worry if a baby or toddler accidentally eats it while playing. Just don't make a meal out of it. To make the taste-safe cloud dough, you will need some all-purpose flour, some cooking oil or olive oil, and this oil-based food coloring. The ratio of the flour to the oil is 8:1. Pour the flour into a big mixing bowl. Set your mixing bowl aside. The next step is to mix the oil food coloring with the cooking oil. Don't be afraid to add more food coloring, as the color will become much lighter when mixed with the flour. Blend the coloring evenly into the cooking oil. Combine all the ingredients together and stir away. This is a good time to recruit your little ones to help. To ensure a good color and texture consistency, knead the dough thoroughly. It should be fine and smooth and be able to hold shape when squeezed together. If you still see pebbly bits, knead the dough more. And we are done! Your dough should look like this. Here you go! You can make as many colors as you want. Today, I made 3 colors. So here are some ideas that you can play with your cloud dough. Just find any containers you can find at home, put some cloud dough in, and tilt it over, like the little sandcastles you make at the beach. You can also use a sieve and let the cloud dough fall through, like this. We also have some free printables that you can use to further explore your rainbow feelings with your little ones. You can download them in the link below. Have fun and share with us your experience by tagging Baby's Book Club on social media. Bye-bye!
Baby's Book Club.